Every time you order from UberEats and DoorDash, you would expect your food to be made by chefs of a fancy restaurant that has super difficult reservation system. Well, things could be a little bit different these days. Following the mandatory closure of restaurants during COVID lockdowns, a new business model emerges: cloud kitchens. A cloud kitchen refers to a restaurant that has an online presence in these food aggregator apps such as UberEats, but does not have a dine-in facility. It is a takeout-only food business whose location can literally be a random guy's kitchen. Compared to a traditional restaurant, a cloud kitchen has these benefits: low operational costs, low setup costs, and automation. According to UBS research, the size of the food delivery industry can grow up to $350 billion by 2030, leaving tremendous potential for cloud kitchens and related business models. More and more companies are utilizing robot arms and automation systems to make fast, clean, and healthy food. While cloud kitchens are unlikely to replace traditional restaurants, opportunities in the supply chain, including vertical integration, food aggregator apps, and kitchen infrastructure automation, should be garnered to seize the opportunity of investment. Product designers should also look into ways to improve the user experience of cloud kitchen interactions. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.